Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. This is Mr. Lex Turner and we're here at my sweet potato farm, and as you can see it has catch off just fine. Sweet potato, most of them have catch off and start growing. It's been like almost 2 weeks guys, almost 2 weeks, and it's doing so good. I'm so happy and so pleased with the results. The other day we got about 3 days of rain and it did really well for the sweet potatoes. Alright, so this is Mr. Lex Turner. I don't know if you remember him, but he is the man who makes the liquid organic fertilizer, and he is going to explain just the process of how he makes this liquid organic fertilizer and how you can use it to get the best results for your plants, whether it be plants for consuming or plants for decoration like your flowers. It does just the same work. It's very effective and it's a 3-in-1, but I am going to let him explain everything about it. All right. Oh my God, it's like I can't believe it just the other day. These plants. And catch off, man. Alright, so this is Mr. Lex Turner, as I said before, and he's going to explain how he makes his liquid organic fertilizer.
Hello everyone, my name is Lex Turner and I'm just implementing some of my nutrients to the agricultural growth. Anyway, we use farm manure, pig manure and goat manure, and we digest it. We send it through a biogas digester where we use microorganisms that live without oxygen to kill microorganisms that live into oxygen. So all of these microorganisms work effective on plants whenever time you use it in the oxygen environment, because whenever time we send it through a processor that we use anaerobic to kill aerobic. When it's bacteria that exposed to oxygen then died and leave a high concentrated fertilizer, insecticide and fungicide. So it do all what plant needs for healthy growth and reproduction.
So it's a 3-in-1.
All in one.
And what is it again? An insecticide,
A fungicide
and a fertilizer.
Amen.
Okay. And this is what the product looks like in hindsight, right? All right, so he sells it in this bottle, this size bottle, which is a 5-gallon, and he sells also the 1-gallon bottle. And the process of how you make it again, just kind of break it down a little bit more so they can understand. You put it through this
A digest system.
all right, so how you go? You flush through the waste and it goes. Explain it.
Okay, well, we mix it along with the water and it go into the digest system where it can break down. But through the oxygen cannot get into the system, it develop anaerobic. Bacteria live with the oxygen, and this bacteria live with the oxygen break down the filth.
Right.
And when it break down now, it pass out, and when it's bacteria that live with oxygen, exposed to oxygen, then died and leave a high concentrated fertilizer, insecticide and fungicide. So you do all for your plants.
And then how does the trash work?
You put it into the soil, you must restrict from outdoor.
Okay.
Into the soil so that it can absorb and produce.
So how do you make the trash?
We remove the liquid and whatever leave now use it as trash.
Oh, so you set it to dry in the sun?
Yeah, no, on a coverage.
Yeah.
Yeah, a shelter if rain fall.
Right.
Yeah, no water to get to it. And make it stay there on a concrete surface.
Right.
And make it stay there and dry by itself.
Right.
And eventually now we back it up now and wait and deliver it to whoever. Or you come collect it to whoever.
All right, so I'm going to try to explain what he just said a little slower because Mr. Lex talk a little fast, you know.
Mr. Ba.
All right, so basically he used chicken manure, goat manure, and pig manure, and he would wash it out of the pens, and it would go into the waste system, go down into the biodigester, and it stays there, and does it stir up down there in the biodigester?
Yeah, because we have the high pressure system.
Yeah.
We use now for
Pressurize it.
Stir it up.
Okay.
And we stir it up now, we
Right.
liquefy now and we get a higher concentration into the liquidity.
Yeah.
So you get a higher nutrients, so you get more effective into the plant growth.
Right. And this man is a home scientist, as I said before, but very brilliant, and his product is highly effective and highly recommended. I mean, I did a feature on him. I'm also going to leave a link to that video so you can see just exactly the steps that he takes to make this liquid organic fertilizer, this amazing product that every Jamaican farmer should be using on their plant. The only thing is that it's a bit hard to get around the island because he's based in one area and he is not, he's not as established as other local fertilizer local fertilizer producers, but his product is excellent, and I would recommend it to everyone. If you can get here to South Manchester, it's like on the border of St. Elizabeth and Manchester really, but he can meet you in gutters. You can make arrangement and he'll see how best he can fit you in so that you can try this product for yourself, test and prove it, and I know you'll be coming back for more and more, because this is what I will use on my sweet potato, and whatever I farm, whatever crop I put in the ground, this is what I use. I can recommend it to you all, and it's excellent, and it doesn't damage the plant, it doesn't leave any chemical, there's no chemical, nothing that you're gonna put in your body and worry about after. So I recommend it to one and all. Yes. So can you tell them how it's applied?
Like the size back there, you can put it to 2.5 gallon of water. This size.
Right.
Yeah. 12 to 1 bucket of water to one of the 5 gallon jug.
Right.
Yeah. And the higher the concentration is the higher the insecticide and the fungicide and the fertility. And the best time to use it is in the evening hours when sundown. So you get 12 hours of night dew. So you concentrate to the plant cells, so you get a effective when the sun rise.
Oh, okay.
But in the morning 6-7:30.
Oh, okay.
So it's more effective.
So what about the how would they use a 1 gallon jug?
So it's about quarter of this. But it's very mild. 1 gallon?
Yeah.
A liquid?
Yes, 1 gallon of liquid organic fertilizer.
For controlling insects?
Yeah.
I would recommend it. So half drum.
Oh, half drum?
Yeah, I use it in the evening hours. So it's highly effective in the evening hours.
Right.
And it's very mild because it's 100% biological.
Yeah.
So, but the best time to use it is sundown, evening hours.
Okay.
So it cool at time be,
Right.
and the more plant can if it absorb more nutrients.
Yeah.
So when the sun approach it now,
Right.
it give you the high effect.
Okay.
Reaction.
Okay. All right. So in the next 6 days or in the next 5 days or so, I'll be applying this to my plants because I was told that 2 to 3 weeks after planting, whatever I intend to use on it to get rid of the insect, I should use it. So what do you recommend, Dole?
Use this?
Yeah, I can use it now?
Because it's biological, I don't know if you create no hazard.
Okay.
Or something where if you enhance everything, growth, keep your fungus, keep your insects.
Right.
So I don't know if you create no harms. Something where if it boost everything.
Okay.
Better.
Alright, so just for the viewers who may be interested in purchasing, could you give them your number?
536-5524.
That's 876-536-5524. Alright, so if you're in other countries and you want to reach out to him, you can do so. But I cannot tell you, but you won't be able to get it over there. But if you have a farm in Jamaica and you want somebody to get it for your farm in Jamaica, yes, it's available and it's ready. So you can contact Mr. Lex Turner. Alright? Alright, so now we're gonna continue to look how the sweet potatoes are developing. Alright. So as you can see, we planted some cocoa. We have a few plants of cocoa right here, all the way going up there. And I have some going down here as well. And we planted a few more sweet potatoes down there. I don't think they're gonna catch on. I don't know, they might catch on. But we have the cocoa them over here. And you can see the sweet potato right here. Look how big this one is. Right, so the sweet potatoes are looking lovely, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, it's my vlog channel. Remember to like, subscribe and share.